Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to overclock your CPU with freeware. So now I already have the program installed on my laptop, so I'm just going to show you how it works. So you're going to want to download Throttle Stop, and the link for that download will be in the description. It comes in a zip file. I just unzipped the entire contents of the zip file into my Documents folder in its own dedicated folder called Throttle Stop. So since I already have the program open, I'm already overclocking my CPU. You're going to want to go to the program, and it doesn't normally look like this. I customized it a little bit, but what you want to do is you want to check the high performance box once you've opened the program. You want to set your multiplier to double what you have it at already, and then you want to disable speed step. So your multiplier determines the throttle on your CPU, and that correlates with your temperature. So the more throttle you have, the higher you set the multiplier, the warmer your temperature on your CPU is going to get. So you want to be careful with that. So as I said, check your multiplier, turn it up to double what it was. Mine was at 11. I decided to set it a little higher to 25 and select high performance. You also have the option for a balanced performance and then power saver, but you can also have these 4 buttons up here. One of them is for gaming, one of them is for the internet, and then one of them is to conserve your battery. So I just go with performance. So as I said, disable your speed step, then you want to turn it on and save your options. And then there you go, you are now overclocking your CPU, and be sure to press this minimization button instead of the exit button because you want to keep the program running in the background. And when we do that, as you can see, it is running in the background over here where it says 1. And it'll tell you exactly what CPU you have. Mine is a Celeron N4020. Which is not great for overclocking. It has limitations on the multiplier as for how high I can set it. But anyways, now you know. Enjoy your gaming or your high performance rendering or whatever it is that you do, and I'll see you in the next video.